Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting topic to help you achieve your dream of a flatter belly in just 1 month. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a workout. Let's get started. Exercise 1, Plank. First up, we have the plank, a fantastic core exercise. Get into position and hold it for at least 30 seconds. The plank helps strengthen your core muscles and tightens your belly. It engages not only your rectus abdominis but also your obliques, lower back, and deep core muscles. Aim for 3 sets of 30 seconds each to gradually increase your core strength. Exercise 2, Bicycle Crunches. Next, let's dive into bicycle crunches. Lie on your back, hands behind your head, and start pedaling those legs. This exercise targets your oblique muscles and is excellent for trimming down your waistline. It's a dynamic move that requires coordination and can help you shed fat from your sides. Shoot for 3 sets of 20 reps on each side, and make sure to engage your core with each twist. Exercise 3, Russian Twists. Russian twists are up next. Sit on the floor, lift your feet, and twist your torso from side to side while holding a weight or a water bottle. These twists work on your love handles and help you achieve that toned look. They also engage your hip flexors and lower back. Try 3 sets of 15 twists on each side, and gradually increase the weight for a more challenging workout. Exercise 4, Mountain Climbers. Now, let's break a sweat with mountain climbers. Get into a push-up position and start bringing your knees to your chest one at a time. This exercise is a calorie burner and fantastic for overall core strength. It also gets your heart rate up, promoting fat loss. Try 3 sets of 20 reps for each leg, and increase the speed for a more intense cardio workout. Exercise 5, Leg Raises. Last but not least, leg raises. Lie flat on your back, keep your legs straight, and lift them up and down. Leg raises are excellent for lower ab definition and help you achieve that flat belly. They target the lower part of your rectus abdominis and also engage your hip flexors. Aim for 3 sets of 15 raises, and for an added challenge, consider pausing at the top for a second to really feel the burn. Conclusion. There you have it, our top 5 home exercises to get a flatter belly in just 1 month. Remember, consistency is key, and pair these workouts with a balanced diet for the best results. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends on their fitness journey. Don't forget to subscribe for more fitness tips and routines. Stay dedicated, stay motivated, and you'll achieve your fitness goals. These exercises, combined with a healthy diet and proper hydration, will help you on your path to achieving that flat, fabulous belly. If you're curious about why you should make lunges a part of your daily routine, click on the video playing right now for all the insights. See you in the next workout session. Keep those fitness goals alive.